Hello friends, my name is Disa Hital Ashwamik Vidyalaya Kerala Padi Standard 8 Subject Sanskrit Chapter number 1 Putri Mama Khalu Nindrati. Putri Mama Khalu Nindrati. Putri means my daughter. Khalu Nindrati is sleeping. My daughter is sleeping. This poem is beloved in mothers and daughter is not disturbed has been presented in a lullaby given in this chapter. Love for her daughter has been expressed by the various adjectives used by the mother. Point to note in the chapter in the Sanskrit presentations of the voice made by a crow, a cat, dog, and mosquito. First stanza. Putri mama khalu nindrati. Putri mama khalu nindrati. Mama putri means my daughter. Khalu nindrati means is sleeping. Sundar shayani sukhmai vashani. Putri mama khalu nindrati. Sundar shayani means ke in a beautiful bed. Sukhmai vashani in comfortable clothes. My daughter is sleeping. My daughter is truly sleeping. In a beautiful bed, in comfortable clothes, my daughter is truly sleeping. Stanza 2. Re re vayas karkas kantha, marat karna kathoram, sranta klanta punarunita, putri mama khalu nindrati. Karkas kantha means crow with the harsh voice. Karna kathoram means that which sound hoarse to the ear. Sranta means tired and klanta means weakened. Re vayas, O crow with the harsh voice. O crow with the harsh voice. Do not make noise that unpleasant to the ear rapidly. My tired, withered, and loved once more daughter is truly sleeping. Meow meow ma guru gur viravam chal chal re khal chor bilada snigdha mukta sevit dukta putri mama khalu nindrati. Meow meow. The harsh sound of the mewing. Ma kuru. Do not do. Khal chor bilad means cunning thief cat. Sevit dukta. Sevit dukta means who has drunk milk. O cunning thief cat, do not make a loud sound of meow meow. Go away from away. My gentle, innocent daughter has just drunk milk, is truly sleeping. Stanza 4. Uchche ma pash shunak varak भूपो मा कुरु कार्यविहीन विमला कुशला सुमन मृदुला पुत्री मम खलु निंद्राति. Sunakvarak. Sunakvarak means O wicked dog. O wicked dog. Bo bo. Do not bark loudly. You ideal being. Do not bow bow. My daughter is who is clean, expert and delicate as a flower is truly sleeping. Stanza 4. Re re masak ma kuru ganam ma sprusham ma das rakt pipasho sudati sumukhi sobhan gatri putri mama khalu nindrati. Re re masak. Re re masak means O mosquito. Ganam ma kuru. Do not sing with a buzzing sound. Rakta pipaso means thirsty for blood. O mosquito, do not sing a song. O thirsty for blood, do not touch, do not sting my daughter with the beautiful teeth, fascinating face, and lovely limbs, and my daughter is truly sleeping. Glossary. Nindrati is sleeping. Sukhmai Vashane is light clothes. Vayas Kro Ma No Sranta Tired Klanta Withered Anutita Please Gor Viravaha Loud Noise Khalam Cunning Snigna Gentle Shunak Varak means puppy Kuru Do Vimala neat and clean Masakaha mosquito Sudati having good teeth Sobhan Gatri having good limbs. Exercise. Pronounce the following words correctly and answer the following questions. ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है मैं नोट डाउन करके आपको पीडीएफ में सेंड कर दूंगी. आपको संस्कृत की नोटबुक्स में नोट डाउन करना है. एंड 10 मैच द कॉलम. वायसः मीन्स कर्कशकंठः. बिडालः मीन्स म्याऊ म्याऊ. शुनकवराकः मीन्स भों भों. एंड पुत्री निंद्राती. और एक्सरसाइज 4 जो है वो अच्छे हैंडराइटिंग से आपको कॉपी ही करनी है. ओके, तो ये जो आपका फर्स्ट चैप्टर है यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है. उसके जो एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, मैच द कॉलम, ये सभी मैं नोट डाउन करके आपको नोटबुक में पीडीएफ करके सेंड कर दूँगी. प्लीज़ यू विल राइट इन योर संस्कृत नोटबुक. ओके, थैंक यू.